In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use max in Smartsheet. The max function is a simple but powerful way to find the highest value in a set of numbers, whether you're looking for the top sales figure, the latest completion date, or the largest quantity in a list. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to type so you can get a reliable result in just a few moments. Start by opening the Smartsheet that contains the data you want to analyze. Once your sheet is open, click directly into the cell where you want the final max result to appear. Placing the result first helps you stay oriented and avoids accidentally typing the formula in the wrong place. Next, click Formula. This opens the formula panel on the right side of your screen. In that panel, type max. You'll see the function appear, and this is where you'll point Smartsheet to the data you want it to evaluate. Max tells Smartsheet to scan the cells you choose and return the single highest value from that set. Now, select the cells you want to include. You can click and drag to highlight a block of numbers, or select across a row or down a column, whatever contains the values you care about. Take a moment to be precise here. Max works best when your range includes the numeric cells you truly want compared. Blank cells are fine and will be ignored, and text won't be treated as a number. If your selection includes dates, Max will return the most recent date in that range, which is especially helpful for tracking deadlines or completion times. Once your cells are selected, look at the panel to confirm the range looks right. When you're confident the reference matches your intended data, click Apply. Smartsheet will insert the formula into the cell you chose and immediately calculate the highest value from your selection. If any numbers in that range change later, the max result updates automatically, so your top value is always current without any extra work. If you see an unexpected result, double-check that the cells you selected truly contain numbers and that there aren't any values stored as text. Also, confirm you didn't accidentally include extra rows or columns. A quick review of the range usually clears things up. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, choose the destination cell, click Formula, type Max in the right panel, select your cells, and hit Apply. With that, you'll always have the highest value at a glance, ready to guide your next decision.